We will guide you through how to make building grow effect in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and search for CapCut using the Windows search bar. Launch your CapCut Pro application from a search results and wait for the editor to finish loading completely before continuing. Create a new project and import the video containing the building that you want to animate. Drag the video onto the main timeline and move the playhead to the very first frame of the clip. Freeze the first frame and export it as an image to your computer so it can be edited separately. Import the exported image back into CapCut, select it, and open the cutout feature from the editing panel. Use the Remove Background Pro tool to erase the building from the image, leaving only the background visible. Place the edited background image on the main timeline so it replaces the original frame. Next, use the same Remove Background Pro tool on the original image to create a clean cutout of the building itself. Position the building cutout asset on a track above the background and align it carefully with its original location. Select the building layer and open the Video tab. Then choose Mask and apply a linear or custom mask to isolate one section of the building, such as the tower or the middle portion. Reduce the mask feather slightly to blend the edges smoothly and create a more natural appearance. Duplicate the masked building layers several times by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Adjust the mask on each duplicated layer so every track displays a different vertical section of the building. Open the Animation tab for each separated building layer and apply the Slide Up Entry animation to every section. Preview the animation and make any necessary timing or alignment adjustments until the effect looks smooth and realistic.